Señor Gonzalez. Puedo tener la oportunidad de presentarme.
I know who you are, priest. I know everyone who sells my product. There are layers between people like you and people like me. Scatter is like a brother to me. Your boss. What the fuck is up with that?
If you know who I am, then you know in all my years I've never once been arrested. Not once. The only record I have is a juvenile one, and it's sealed. Now, I've made this risk because although I'm careful, I'm very ambitious. This guy just tried to put a ceiling over my head, but I can go much higher than that.
And why do I care?
You care because your mother. I meant no disrespect.
No, please, elaborate.
They're playing well this year. Wanna watch them?
So far? Are you a fan?
I'm more like a student of the game.
Really?
And what a season El Blanco is having. Wow.
Yeah, he's the best.
The best scorer probably in the league, but not the best player on the team. No, that would be Rafa. See, Rafa's the defender, the backbone of the team, but never scores any goals, so nobody ever talks about him. Nobody appreciates him. El Blanco may get all the glory, but he's nothing without Rafa. Your mother, queen of the Gonzalez cartel, she favors your brother over you, doesn't she? What's his name, Augustine?
Mames. What the do you know about my family? So you read Mexican tabloids like a housewife? Where did you get this one from? Metro? La prensa?
Leavenworth Times.
What?
That's where I got it from. I got people in prison, too. I'm not your average dope boy, Mr. Gonzalez. Don't let the pretty hair fool you. I got eyes everywhere.
And?
Information is power. And power is priceless, you know that.
What else do you know?
I know that your mother sees the volume Augustine is bringing in and she thinks it's because he's bold. I think it's because he's sloppy. That's why he's in Leavenworth right now. Because unlike you, he's messy, he talks too much. How else you think I know all your family business?
Suéltalo. So you're suggesting that you can distribute a much higher volume for me and maintain my relatively limited exposure?
I wouldn't gamble my life on no suggestion now. Mr. Gonzalez, allow me to be your glory.
I'm gonna give you triple the supply I was providing Scatter, to start with.
Sounds good.
But I'm not gonna front it to you. You'll pay me.
Not a problem.